Hi, I'm Todd Henderson and this is the BakFlip G2. Now this is an ultra low profile cover. It's got an aluminum surface and a standard density core. It's a hard folding cover that will support up to 300 pounds evenly distributed. The tailgate has to be open in order to open the cover. So with the tailgate locked, the bed will be more secure than the cab. This is how it works. First, just open the tailgate. Then from either driver or passenger side, you can reach inside and pull the cable that retracts the latches that hold it to the rail. Now it can be quickly and easily opened up towards the cab of the truck. Now, if I want to haul cargo, I load it up and I can latch this cover into position up towards the cab. Do that on both sides, I'm ready to drive down the road. If I want full bed access, I can have that very easily as well without removing the cover. I just fold the whole cover up against the cab and I lock that in position with prop rods on each side. The cover will also protect the cab from shifting loads. No cover is 100% waterproof, but the BakFlip does an excellent job of sheltering your cargo from the elements. And the rails will channel runoff water through the drain tubes and out the bed of the truck. The BakFlip G2 comes with a 2-year warranty. It's made right here in the United States, and we ship it for free to anywhere in the continental US. If you have any questions, call the experts. We're here to help you pick the right parts for you.